Here's a quick tip that can be very useful during the recipe formulation process. Perhaps you've experienced this. You have a collection of leftover ingredients that you want to use up, or maybe you have a recipe and you're not quite sure what style or styles it fits. Well, there's a couple interface features that can help in these situations. With the Style tab showing, that's here at the bottom of the recipe window, you can flip through various styles one by one by using the left and right arrows that appear right here, right next to Untitled Style. So if I start flipping through, we can see the graphs update and change and show where this recipe lines up with the vitals for that style. So it's a nice way to kind of survey which styles fit or don't fit, and it can be very helpful. However, it can be time consuming flipping through each style this way. It can take some time. So if we want to have an overview of how a recipe compares with many styles, this is available if we go over to the left here and look under the Styles folder, and there's a couple of subfolders there. We're going to go ahead and click on BJCP 2015, and here we'll get a listing of styles from that folder. Now as we scroll through the list, of course we see that each style named there, but also we can see its vital characteristics here, and we can see a small representation of the style graph that's shown here in the main window. And the dots correspond to where our recipe lines up with that particular style. So we can scroll through and we can see which recipe has lots of green dots, and we know that our recipe lines up with that style pretty well. So it's a fast way to see how the recipe we're working on compares with many styles. And when we find one that perhaps we want to use, we can go ahead and right click or control click and use the Use in Recipe function, which will apply that style to our recipe. So hopefully these features help you design your next great recipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll let you know as new videos like this one come out.